Show you the light dimming feature. You can dim the light. The light dims. Right on there. Start on low. This is kind of an old fan. The blades are starting to yellow. As you can see, the blades are a little bit faded. The blades are fading a little bit. The finish on the blades are fading. Parts of the fan are fading. Mostly just the blades. Okay. Hopefully this will be a better video. Tried to rest my arm for a minute because it was starting to hurt. And high speed. By the way, this fan is a Hunter Spectrum. Looks sort of like a Sea Air, but it's a Hunter Spectrum.